What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the mountain. Well, today is a big day. Chanel's babies are leaving the mountain today. They are going to their new home, which is over there with Country Road Cure and Simple Life Reclaim. Mel and Gary from Simple Life Reclaim is on their way to come get the goats, but they're also going to take Lyft over to their house for the next week or two while I'm in Florida and work on their road a little bit with the box blade. So we got a lot to do before they get here. We got to get Lyft crunk up. It hasn't been crunk up in a while, and I think she's gonna need a little go-go juice to get started. So let's go grab it. Are you coming to see me off midnight? And of course we got Domino there. So the go-go juice is over there on taxi out in the power lines, so let's go get it. Can of go-go juice. Go-go juice. That should get her to fire up. Once you get her crunk up, she's good to go. She's not like old taxi here that needs it just about every time. Looks like I need to cut the grass. We got a lot of rain this week with that storm hitting over there in Texas. My grass definitely needed it, but I'm definitely gonna have to get this cut before I head to Florida. All right, little go-go juice. See if that'll do the trick. I'm seeing smoke. Come on, Betsy. Almost. Did y'all really think y'all could steal my trailer without my guard dog coming over here?
I saw him. As the first thing we saw was old Domino.
Well, don't you look pretty today with your big old bow?
You say?
Hey. Why you being all in the back all like, oh?
Because there's bread in here.
Bread? You guarding the bread?
She's waiting for us to...
I've been guarding my bread my whole life.
Right?
Everybody always trying to take it. Taxes.
Take that bread.
No, that's not a 2-inch.
Huh?
Oh, yours is only a 2-inch?
Mine's only a 2-inch.
Yep.
That ain't gonna work.
Gary came over here to try to steal my trailer and don't have the right size ball.
No.
Okay, let's take mine off.
You got a fancy lock one.
Yeah, I gotta lock them because, you know, people be coming in here trying to steal my trailers.
Shin breaker is gone.
Shin breaker is gone. Domino, how come you didn't bark or something? You just went over there and like got loving. You're supposed to be the guard dog. Well, they made it to the mountain, guys. We're gonna get the trailer hooked up and we'll go ahead and get lift hooked up. And then we'll check out the goats. It's hot out here, guys. It's hot out here. Just a bump more. Oh. All right, go ahead and pull up to about where that mud puddle is and we'll drop the ramps and go ahead and load the tractor back here.
Either hop in the back or get off, Felix, Scarlett.
Keep going, keep going, keep going. Keep on going. Keep on going. Hold that. Oh, I bought some brand new aluminum ones. You can throw that on top of there. Up top will work. Rookie. You don't like that.
Thought I was close to the end of it, but yeah, whatever. It is what it is, damn it.
All right, right here you got your fuel cut off.
Okay.
Which is actually right here as well. This thing don't always push in like it wants to. I just worked with it, so it's doing okay now.
Alright.
But if not, you can just
Push that guy. Okay.
That's how you shut it off.
Oh, you pull it.
Diesels don't have shut-offs. You gotta
Alright.
cut the fuel.
Alright.
So
Choke it out, basically.
choke it out.
Alright.
Choke it out. Put all my go-go juice back. Yep, you turn those around as deep as you want. When you store them up, store them backwards like that. That way it doesn't catch the tire. If it catches, you know what I'm saying?
I got you.
All right. Now, the gas on this thing is right here.
Alright.
But something's up with it where it springs up. So, I got cruise control. It works great. Cruise control, baby. I did the whole yard. Mike said it would never work. I said, watch this. Works great.
Alright.
Clutch, your brakes. Right here's your PTO.
Alright.
Or not your PTO, but your lift. You're not going to use the PTO. Right here, if that's the other direction, the up and down's not going to work. So you got to make sure it's in the right spot. So you should be good to go. This is an automatic. It's got 3 reverses and like 6 speeds forward.
Alright.
All right, now you don't have to have it in neutral to crank it, so it will run you over. Just so you know. Don't be cranking it from down here like I do Uber. Uber's got enough safety that it won't run you over. Also, she's an old beast, and there's a filter inside here, a hydraulic filter that needs to be changed. It's like a little screen, and I think it needs to be changed because she's got to warm up a little bit, get that fluid. We call it fluid.
The
up
fluid.
here on the mountain, the fluid. You gotta let that fluid heat up and thin up a little bit because she won't want to go in reverse. She'll be in reverse, she'll try to go straight. But once the fluid warms up and thins out a little bit, it can get through that screen, and then your reverses will work. But when you first crank her up in the morning, try to do it in neutral. And once you get it in neutral, you're good. You can jump off and just let it warm up. You know what I mean? But
there is a neutral though?
Yeah, there is. Right there.
All right.
And that light, don't always trust that.
Okay. That is a light though.
That is a light.
All right.
And it does come on, but it's not always true.
All right.
It's true. So, like I told you, the key is a little tricky. Like, see how I don't want to, what's happening?
The cruise control.
Yeah,
it's probably my favorite feature.
You don't have to leave it hanging down there. I hook it right here, right? And when I want to use it, that's there. Because I'm telling you, it's hard to turn this thing, and you know what I mean?
The tractor of the future.
Yep. So what I do is to keep it from hanging, you know, I'll just hook it right there. And it's good to go. It's a great cruise control. It works amazing. Ford reached out to me about a patent and everything, and I was like, nah, I'm not interested.
Yeah, I'd rather give it to the people for free.
Yeah.
Joe-matic.
I don't know if the fuel gauge works at all. So what I do is I get a clean stick and I stick it down in the tank, and that's how I tell how much fuel's in it. So you don't want to run this old girl out, because running a diesel out, you know, is a pain in the rump shaker.
All right.
There's really not a lot to it. Like I said, this you're up and down. Go ahead and set that down just for emergency stuff. Where are my chains? deliver.
Heck yeah. Thank you, David.
You're welcome.
Well, that should clear out that road real quick.
Oh, it's gonna be a great thing for you.
Our road
it
is
does a real good
nasty,
job.
man.
No.
I mean, I leveled my whole yard for the grass and stuff with it. I put the teeth down, kind of chew it up a little bit, and then I just put the teeth up and kind of leveled it.
I might end up doing that down over by the power line. We got that big flat area of just dirt.
Yeah. I wouldn't even really level it out so much for the plot. I would just put the teeth down as low as they go.
Just get it to where you
and just till it up,
till
and then put your plot stuff out, and just let Mother Nature do its thing.
Yeah.
It might not even come up right now, but come fall,
Yeah. Oh, exactly.
it'll be good to go. Yeah, this right here is Lift's main job now, is box blade. Pretty much. Taxi's the bush hogger. Taxi's probably going to be the bush hogger and the auger.
Yeah.
And then, you know, Uber's Uber.
Yeah.
Uber's going to keep.
Daddy!
That one's gonna go for the back side.
This one's heavy.
Yep, bring it this way. Back this way. Not exactly sure how you
That way you got room to. Make it as tight as possible.
Yep, she does.
Go through the same spot over there. Watch your fingers. Go for it. Well, you're the prettiest helper I've ever had. Sure, a lot prettier than that guy.
Yes, she is. She sure is.
Now, you know you country whenever you're dressed that pretty in a little dress and a bow, and it will still sit here and haul all these chains and stuff.
Atta girl.
Raising them right.
That's
Raising 'em
right. That's right.
I'll loosen this a little. Get as much out of it as
Oh, it's got a lot more.
that looks like good. Is that still connected?
Yeah, it's good. Should have kept my go-go juice out for this. Whoa. want to just stay on the outside, I'll hand them to you over the fence.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Make it a little easier.
It'll probably be easier.
The fence is now not electrified.
You want to grab them?
Hi, Eclipse.
Hurry up.
I'm coming, I'm coming.
I got them both.
Eclipse is trying to say hi. I'll grab one at a time.
Right there's the baby. Oh.
Hello, baby.
It's okay. It's okay, man.
It's so sweet.
I'm gonna miss you. I'm gonna miss you.
Say goodbye.
He's looking like, what the heck is going on?
I don't know what his name is yet. Anthony and Rox haven't named him yet.
I don't know either. Oh, he's heavy. You're a heavy boy, huh?
Look at our Capricorn.
He's so sweet.
Whoop, I got you.
Go take it. Thank you. Oh,
All right.
you wanted to.
Oh, or the thing. Oh, thank you.
The thing turned off.
Oh.
Look at it. Our first ghost.
They're pretty calm. I spend a little bit of time with them.
Look, Abe, it's our first
I
ghost.
wonder if you'll.
They're gonna grow bigger too.
No. And
I
these
hear you
are-
loud.
You said Kinko Nubian?
No.
Kiko Boar and Nubian.
Kinko Boar Nubian. All right.
The daddy was a Kiko Boar and the mama was a Nubian. Perfect fit. What do you think about it, Eclipse? He is a fine specimen. He is a good looking buck. He's got beautiful colors, beautiful coat. And as you can see, he don't mess around.
Yeah.
This is her what? And the mama is right here, and that is Chanel. But he's a good looking male. I mean,
Yeah, he is.
he's
He's a handsome guy.
yeah, he's a stunner. She loves her job.
Get some B-roll of the daddy.
And I believe that Coco and Chanel might be pregnant again. But that one,
Chanel Coco.
yep, icy.
Ice.
Yeah, I'm talking about you. What is it, Eclipse? What is it? What is it, baby girl? Huh? Are we taking two of your livestock? Pretty girl. What's going on, guys? It's the next day. We're gonna go ahead and get the chores done and go ahead and check on the goats and see how everybody's doing. Now that there's 2 less members here on Come On Mountain, we're gonna start with the what used to be the baby bunnies. They are not babies anymore. They are growing up fast and healthy. What's going on, guys? Oh, watch out. These guys are eating it up. They're also eating all the wood. What are you doing, Domino? What are you doing? I was wondering where you was at, Miss Midnight. Well, hello. Well, hello. What are you doing? You want to be petted? Oh, you want to be petted? You're a spoiled kitty. Spoiled girl. What are you doing, Rooster? We've been getting a lot of rain. It's a little muddy inside there. So we're gonna throw some hay in there, some straw in there, and it'll spread it all out. What are you doing, Mama? What are you doing? You still got a fool in there. What are you doing, parkour? There you go, Mama. You getting big, huh? You about to have babies? I bred her on Father's Day, which was the 16th of June. As you can see, hair is starting to come out. We're going to put a little hay in her nesting box. That way she can get ready to be a mama again. What are you doing, parkour? Huh? What are you doing, buddy? And this time, old parkour here is the daddy, the white one. Midnight, why are you always trying to be so cute? Let's go feed the goats in Eclipse and get some hay. Of course, we got the queen of the mountain jumping off, all excited. Looks like everybody's doing good. What are you doing? What are you doing? Some food? You want some food? There you go. See, you've been jumping in the waters again. Nicey. What are you doing? I'll hide you some over here by yourself. See if I can do this without shocking myself. I did it. What are you doing, Cinnamon? Cinnamon. Everybody is looking good and healthy. Is that some good stuff? Chief, you a big old boy. You just following me? Are you following me? Come on. Let's go give Mama some hay. Come on. Yeah. Such a good girl. Such a good girl. You just want to lay down and be cute? I'll stop and pet your tummy. I'll stop and pet your tummy. You're so cute. Ooh, the grass needed all this rain that we've been getting, guys. It's looking a lot fuller. Oh yeah? You stretching? Well, it looks like Chanel's adjusting well to the babies being gone. Everybody seems to be healthy and happy, so that's a good thing. I got you something, Mama. I got you something, Mama. Got you ready to have your babies. Yeah. I got you ready to have your babies. You're definitely starting to lose your hair. It's coming. It's almost time, huh? I feed her quite a bit more now that she's pregnant. She eats and drinks a lot more. That's why she's got 2 waters on her thing. And she gets about double the amount of food. You ready to eat, Midnight? It's weird having Lift not sitting here anymore. As soon as Lift gets back to the mountain, this is the first area that we are going to attack to get some grass growing, and also to start building the shop that we took down about 7-8 months ago. Because it's going to go probably right in that area right there somewhere. Somebody knows it's time to eat, huh? You knew it was time to eat, huh? Yeah. Well, I think that's gonna be about it, guys. Just another day here on the mountain, on the homestead. I'm glad that Simple Life Reclaim and Country Road Cure now has their baby goats over there on the 41.36. Pretty cool. I started this bloodline in Florida at my homestead there, and to get it to come up here to Come On Mountain, and those are the first babies born here on Come On Mountain, and for them to go to my brothers and sisters over there at the 41.36 is absolutely amazing. And just continue that bloodline I started when I started my journey here doing homesteading and off-grid is pretty cool, guys. Pretty cool. We got a lot to do tomorrow. I need to get this grass situated. It's starting to get tall. Need to get all of that cut, and I also need to cut the power lines out there with the new tractor Taxi. Before I get on the road to Florida, I want to get this whole place cleaned up and good to go. Looking good, so whenever I get back, I don't have to jump out the truck and do a million things. But we're gonna go ahead and call it on this one, guys. I love every single one of you. If you have not liked and subscribed and shared this channel yet, make sure that you do. We always got something going on here at Come On Mountain, and we're always going on an adventure. So until we see each other again, guys, come on, let's go on another adventure.